So are you on your way to Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida, and you're wanting to know what all the different room types look like? Well, I've done a lot of room tours there, and today we're going to take a look at the one-bedroom deluxe in the Bella Village, coming right up. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and as we get started taking a look at this one-bedroom villa here, the one-bedroom deluxe at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida, we're actually taking a look at the living room here that's right inside as you come in the door. I do want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And if you don't even happen to own timeshare, but you love staying at these wonderful resorts, be sure to subscribe down below, and also click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video. So we have been taking a look at the living area in this one-bedroom deluxe villa. This villa is about 525 square feet. It does sleep up to 4 people. 2 people in the living room on the pull-out sofa, and in a little bit we'll take a look at the bedroom area where there is a king-size bed as well for 2 more. The dining area here actually has 4 chairs and a small table as well, some nice lighting, and a nice mirror here on the wall as well. There are also a couple of closets, one on either side of the television. One is just empty, mainly for storage. The other one has your sweeper in it there, in case you want to do any vacuuming while you're on vacation. So now as we move into the kitchen area, just a pretty small kind of kitchenette, but this is actually a little bit better appointed than the one-bedroom deluxe units in Key West that we have also stayed in. This here has a fairly large fridge. It's not a full-size fridge, but it's also not those very small kind of bar fridges that you have in a lot of Marriott studios. This does have a dishwasher, has a microwave, coffee maker, toaster, and a stovetop. But one other thing that we noticed that this kitchenette has that we haven't seen in any of the other one-bedroom deluxe units is it actually has a small oven. Now, keep in mind, this oven, it was pretty small, and I tried to cook a pizza in it, and it just barely fit. So be sure to measure the oven before you go out and buy any groceries that you think you might be cooking in there, because they may not fit. It does have all of your kitchen utensils, silverware, plateware, dinnerware, glassware, as well as some pots and pans as well. Okay, moving on, we're heading back towards the bathroom and bedroom area. And what you're going to find here in a closet in the hallway is the stacking washer and dryer. Kind of your smaller size, apartment sized washing machine and dryer, but definitely comes in handy. You don't need to pack as many clothes, and it really does help out if you're flying. Now moving into the bedroom here, you do have a king size bed. There is also an overhead ceiling fan, 2 nightstands, as well as a pretty large flat screen television, as well as a chest of drawers for lots of storage. Checking out the small closet here, you do have some extra bedding as well, and this is also where you'll find the in-room safe. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the attached bathroom. Now, a good thing about this bathroom, it does connect to the bedroom as well as out to the main living area in that hallway that kind of leads up to the kitchen. But in here you do have a single vanity toilet as well as a bathtub with a shower. The mirror does light up, so that puts out a lot of light. Now let's head out to the balcony, and this is one thing where the deluxe one bedrooms stand out a little bit from the standard one bedrooms that I've done villa tours of before. These actually do have a balcony, kind of a good feature, screened in, so keep out those bugs, as well as a nice ceiling fan here as well. And ours actually had a pretty nice view out to the Bella pool area. So there you have it, a one-bedroom deluxe villa tour here at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Sheraton Vistana Villages, check out the one up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they think you'll like the one right below that. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.